Welcome to the CARE 10 Data Analysis Program. In CARE, you are able to view and filter statistical data gathered from citations and crash reports. In this tutorial, you will learn how to convert filters from one data set to another. Once CARE is installed onto your computer, you'll find an icon that looks like a traffic light. Double-click the icon to open the program. The program will open to the CARE dashboard, displaying the frequency frames by default. You can see here that we have the 2009 through 2013 Alabama Integrated Crash Data Set selected. For this lesson, we are going to be comparing fatalities related to speeding for two separate data sets. We will start off by applying a speeding filter to this data set. As we open the list of available filters, we see only those associated with the crash data set. As mentioned earlier, we're going to use the speeding filter. After the filter is selected, the graph and tables are automatically updated. Next, we need to find the category that contains the number of fatalities. Crash severity will give us the information we are looking for. From here, we can see the total number of fatal crashes related to speeding. Take note of this value because we can compare it to the number of fatalities related to speeding in the person data database. We will start by selecting the person data dataset of the same date range that our crash data was from. Notice how much the dashboard changes after we change the datasets. That's because this dataset contains different variables than the one for crash data. This dataset also contains different filters. If we open up the list of available filters, we find that there are no speeding filters available. The Convert Filters from Related Data Sources tool will allow us to grab that filter from the crash dataset. To access this feature, we will need to go to the menu bar and select Filters. From this list, select the Convert Filters from Related Data Source option. In the window that opens, select the crash data source from the drop-down list on the left. We need to scroll down and select the speeding filter. Then we need to click the Add Selected Filters button to add it to the window on the right. Once we have our filter added, we can click OK to close the window. Now we can go apply our filter. Once our filter is selected, the dashboard is automatically updated. However, we are still not seeing our crash fatality information. To view that, we need to select Person Injury Type from the list of categories. From here, we see the number of person fatalities related to speeding. Let's compare all our results now. Looking at these two values, we can see that for the given data sets, there were 1,130 fatal crashes, in which there were 1,246 person fatalities. This concludes this lesson. If you need further information regarding CARE or have any questions, please contact us at 1-866-349-CARE or email us at care@cs.ua.edu. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for taking the time to view this tutorial.